Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain a very simple and interesting problem called minimum operations to make array sum divisible by k. In this problem, we are given an integer array num and an integer k. We can perform one operation here. We choose any index and decrease this element by 1. Our goal is to find the minimum number of operations required to make the total sum, the array, divisible by k. Let's understand with this an example. Suppose we have an array nums and a number k, 5. First, we have to calculate the total sum of the array numbers. Now, at the end, we have to check the remainder when divided by 5. The remainder will be 4. This means the sum is exceeding the nearest divisible number by 4. So, if we reduce the total sum by 4, the new sum will become 15 and 15 will be divisible by the number k, 5. Therefore, the minimum operation required are 4. Let's take in another example. Here we have an array 413 and a number 4. Now the sum of the array will be 8, and now if we divide the number 8 with the k number, it will give us 0. The sum is already divisible with 4, so no operations are needed, so the output will be 0. Now let's understand the logic. If the sum will be divided by the k, it will give us the remainder, and the remainder will be total number of operations that are required to return. So the answer is simple. We have to just return our remainder. Let's get into code. First, we will create a sum variable, and then we'll loop it through the array. After looping, we will add exactly one variable at a time in the sum. Now, after we get the sum, we'll create a another another variable which will store our remainder. So sum divided by the kth element will give us the remainder. And at the end, simply we have to return the remainder. Let's check. Here you can see it's working. Now let's submit our code. That's it for the video.